Hi, hello, very good evening one and all. Welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform for all competitive exams, BYJU'S Exam Prep. And warm welcome to the GATE 2024 Fundamentals series. Everybody, today we are going to practice identifiers, keywords and strings. Definitely the session is going to be very interesting. So guys, join the session quickly and mark your presence. I am Satya, welcoming you all for this useful session. Guys, our C programming classes already started. 4 classes are already over. So if anyone have missed them, please find they will be available in the playlist and try to attend them, try to watch them. Try to follow the classes regularly. Hi Govardhan, good evening. Everybody else, whoever have joined, please mark your presence in the chat box and please confirm, am I visible and audible to you clearly or not? Am I visible and audible to you clearly or not? Everybody please confirm my visibility and audibility. So today, yes, we are going to practice identifiers, keywords and strings as a part of C tokens. Okay. Before I start, let me introduce myself quickly. I am Satya, research scholar with 15 plus years of teaching experience, mentored more than 40,000 students all over India in the GATE and PSU segments. I am qualified in GATE, UGC NET, SET and also certified by Cisco into networking and programming. Hi Jayanti. Okay. Guys, yes, there is a very good news for everyone. That is, NIC has released around 600 posts for NEELIT scientist. It's a very big, huge vacancy, guys. For the same, we, BYJU'S Exam Prep, launching free series, free crash course for the NEELIT aspirants. And the classes would be commencing from 13th March, that is Monday, such that on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, technical sessions will go on and every Saturday, exclusive aptitude sessions will go on. And the complete details we would be giving soon, so stay tuned for the complete details. Hello Tamil Savi, good evening. How are you all guys? How is your day? Okay. And guys, Mr. Vaibhav will be taking a free workshop and he will be sharing all his preparation strategy because he got All India rank 9 in the ESE 2022. So he will be live on 12th March 12:30 PM. So if you know any ESE aspirant, refer this session for them because it would be very useful for them. Okay, let us start. In the last class, we have discussed about scanf function, printf function, printing integers, how we print and how printing characters and printing real numbers with the format specifier. And we have taken an integer and we tried to print it in different ways in the last class. I believe it is clear for everybody. And today, what we are going to learn? We are going to understand first what is the meaning of token in the C programming. Then we will have what are different types of C tokens. As a part, we will be discussing about keywords, identifiers and the rules for the identifiers and also strings. Okay, let us start without wasting much of your time. First of all, what is a token? Everybody, if you have any idea, please type in the chat box. What do you mean by a token? Let's see. the smallest individual element of a program is called token. Means in a program, you take any small element, that element we call as token. So, a program can be viewed as collection of tokens. How any C program will be formed? When you combine the tokens, then a program is ready. So, we can say C program or any language program as collection of tokens. Okay. Let us suppose we have this is simple small C program for adding two numbers. I have taken a simple C program. Void main int I equal to 3, comma j equal to 4, comma k. K equal to I plus j. Printf sum is percentage d, comma k. It's a very simple program, 4 lines program. So if you divide this into small elements, what are different tokens you get? Void is one token. Main is one token. And you have left parenthesis, right parenthesis, opening braces, int I equal to 3, comma j equal to 4, comma k, semicolon, right? And then we have again k, the third line, equal to I plus j, semicolon, and we have one predefined function, printf, then open bracket, then in between double quotation we have one statement, sum is percentile d, comma k, closing braces, closing bracket, semicolon, and closing curly brace. See what I have done in this program. I have done nothing, just I have divided this program into small element, because I can't divide void as void, it's a word. So void I have divided, main word, brackets, commas, I, j, int, like this. You see, I have divided into small pieces. So total how many tokens are there in this small program? Just we have 30 tokens. We have 30 tokens, guys, in this small simple C program. So these 30 tokens, if you observe, there are some tokens which we have used repeatedly. For example, I, j, k, I have used 2 times, 3 times, k I have used 3 times also, and equal to I have used 3 times in the program, and semicolon I have used 3 times. So what does that mean? Some tokens can be used multiple times. So all together we have got 30 tokens. Is this point clear? I think with this example, what is token should be clear. Please confirm, is this point clear for everyone? Token means what? Just a piece of program. क्लियर है सबको? ईश्वर विनीत, जयंती, तमिल सवी, गोवर्धन, बात सबको क्लियर है? कृष्णन, good. Now what are different types of tokens? Sir, what is void, what is main, what is this I, j, k plus? So they are not all same, right? They are different. They are some symbols, some numbers, some words, some letters, some statement. So there are 6 types of C tokens. How many types? 6 types. All these are grouped into 6 types. What are they? You can see here: identifiers, keywords, constants, strings, operators, and special symbols. So these 30 are grouped into what? 6 types. So in a C program, what will be there? Only tokens will be there. You can't find anything other than token. So if you divide a program, that small piece should be either identifier or keyword or constant or string or operator or special symbol. It should belong to either of these 6 categories. Nothing else will be there in any program, guys. Not only this is a small program, you take any big program, even you take 20 lakh lines of code also, what you find there? These 6 only. Sir, what are what? Let us take the same example again. I am taking the same example what we have taken. So let us divide void, main. Let me wait once. Void, main, brackets are there, curly brace is there, I, equal to is there, 3, comma is there, J, again equal to, I have already written equal to, so I am now avoiding duplicates. Equal to I have taken 4, comma, K, semicolon, K I have taken, equal to taken, I taken, plus J, semicolon. I am avoiding duplicates, okay? Printf, bracket, double quotations. In the double quotations I have something, some statement. What is that? Sum is percentile D, comma, taken, K, closed bracket, semicolon, closed curly brace. See, in this program, whatever I have written here, small pieces, do you find anything other than this? You can tell me. You can check. Do you find anything other than these symbols? I have included everything, including semicolon also I have included. Just these are there, right? Sir, how you have written? You please understand. Main. What this main is? It is name of the function. I, J, K, names of the variables. Printf, name of the function. Void, data type, right? 3, 4, numbers. Sum is percentile D. Anything in double quotes. This is one statement that I have written for string. Equal to, comma, plus. These are operators. I have written under operators. And some other symbols like semicolon, brackets, I have written under special symbols. So we will know each. So first of all, what you understand from identifier, what I have written beside identifier, I have written names beside identifier. So now comes keywords first, then we will see what is identifier. Okay, what is keyword? See here, the word whose meaning is already defined, means what that word means. Whenever that word is found in the program, what should be the understanding for the compiler? How compiler should understand the meaning of that word? that is already written in the C library. So you need not to worry. You can simply use. Compiler automatically understands, provided you include its respective header file. I already told you, library means it is managed in the form of header files as a book. So which book? From which book you are using? That book reference dena padega, right? Whenever you are writing some documentation, from where you have taken this, that definitely we will write reference, no? Similarly, writing this, including this header file is simply including the reference. So I am including the reference. Now you don't worry, you can simply use how many times you want about these words, because these words meaning is already there in that book, in that header file. So C compiler will refer that header file and understand what to do. Okay, you need not to explain anything about it. So such word is called keyword. And there is other name for this keyword. What? Reserved words. What is the other name for keyword? Reserved words. And how many keywords we have? Such 32 keywords in C language. It would not be 32 in every programming language. C++ there would be some other number, Java some other number, Python some other number. Language to language, how many words differ? In our C programming language, how many keywords are there? 32. So Dennis Ritchie already defined 32 words. These are simply like, dear friends, please understand, if you take English language, there are some words like is, was. Just for your reference, I am writing is, was, this, that, who, why, where, when, what. Isn't it? This, that, is, was. You see, these are regularly used words in our English language, whether you write, whether you speak. These words meaning is universally fixed. When you use this word in the English while speaking or while writing, that meaning is fixed. Everybody understand who means what. Means everybody who know the language understand who means what, why means what, how means what. Because this meaning is already defined. Right? In the same way, Tariq Ahmad, still today C language is used by many companies. One big example, still Windows operating system use C language along with some other. Only it is not, I am not telling it is only C based. Still C language features, some features are still used to develop Windows operating system. Still there are games developed using C and some other languages. So C contribute, even today C is contributing so many things. Jayanti, comma is an operator as well as separator, dear. We will be discussing operators tomorrow, from tomorrow. So there you will see comma in the list of operators. I will show you clearly. Okay. It is operator and separator, we call it as. So guys, how many keywords we have? 32 keywords in the C language. And one rule, please remember, this is very, very important. What? All the letters of keyword must be in lowercase. Must be in lowercase. Every letter of that word you should write in small letters only. Then only that is considered as keyword. So what are those 32 keywords, sir? Here you can find what are those 32. Auto, break, case, char, continue, do, default, const, so on. You have 32 keywords. You can find, you can count also. There will be 32. Sir, do we need to remember all these words? No, no, don't do that. Don't by heart or mug up these words. In our regular practice, automatically you will be remembering almost around 20 to 25 words. Automatically you will realize, yes, this is a keyword. So don't by heart or mug up, guys. Don't do that. Okay, automatically, without your knowledge only, you will identify them. You will remember them that it's a keyword. Okay, fine. So these are the keywords. These words meaning you need not to explain to the compiler. You can simply use them. Remember, every letter must be in the small letters, lowercase only. Okay, right. Now, moving on to identifiers concept. What is identifier? I said it is the name. You name a person, you name a thing, you name an object, you name a tree, you name a bird, you name an animal. Right? Similarly, in the C programming, you give name to anything. Name of any programming element. You call it as what? Identifier. Because it helps to identify that. Name is used for what? For identification purpose. Same way, same meaning is here also. Okay. So, name of any programming element means what? Programming elements means variables, arrays, pointers, functions, structures, unions, files, constants. You name any of this. You give name for a variable, name for an array, name for a pointer. What are all these, sir? We will discuss. Everything we will be discussing. For a while, what is variable? I have already explained to you. So, if you give name for the variable, that name is called identifier. Not only variable, any other you give name, that is identifier. Example. I am writing int I. So what is I? Identifier, because it is name of the variable. I am writing char j. Identifier. I write float k. Identifier. Short x. Identifier. Sir, you are using only one letter for the name. Is it mandatory, sir? No, I never said it. You can write like this. Int result. Yeah. Char answer. Float average. Short percentage. So, sir, I can use only one word as name? No, I am not even telling that. You can also write like this. Int let's say result underscore Satya. So I have used two words here. Char my result. Like this. It's not mandatory that you have to use only one letter for the name, or one word for the name, or two words for the name. Then what, sir? So there are some rules to give names. Even in our day-to-day life also, we follow some rules to give names, right? Like if you belong to some community, you will see your birth sign, so that with what letter the name should start. And somebody might think, I like this person, he is my ideal person, maybe Sachin Tendulkar or Abdul Kalam sir, or some Vivekanand. So I want to put this person name, or somebody may want to put some God's name, isn't it? while you give the name for anything, even we do follow certain criteria, some rules. And in the same way, what names you keep for pets, animals, birds, generally we don't keep them for the human beings, isn't it? Have you ever found any person name as bottle? Bottle? No. Do you find any person name as phone? No. Do you find any bird name as something like remote? No. So we also follow some rules when you are giving name for some things, person or animal or living being, non-living being. In the same way, as it is the Dennis Ritchie's language, he has given some rules. If you want to give name for anything, please follow these rules. What rules? There are 5 rules. How many? 5 rules for naming. What are the 5 rules you see here? The name should start with either an alphabet or underscore. You know alphabet means A to Z. Sir, which A to Z? We have 2, uppercase, lowercase, any. Any. Uppercase you can use or lowercase you can use, no problem. But please understand, C language treat uppercase and lowercase as different. Small a, capital A are not same for the C compiler. Capital I, small I is not same for the compiler. Uppercase letters are different, lowercase letters are different for the C language. This is what we call as case sensitivity. What we call case sensitivity. Case means uppercase, lowercase. C is particular. Sensitive means it is very particular with that case of the letter you use. So if it is capital I only, small I only. I said for keywords, you should write keyword in the lower case only. Why? Because C is very particular on that. So this particularness, what we say? Case sensitivity. That's why C is called case sensitive programming language. So you can start the name with either alphabet or underscore symbol. So you can say apple as name because it is starting with letter, or you can even say apple like this, or underscore apple you can say. It is underscore, guys, underscore, or underscore x you say. Okay, so name should start with either alphabet or underscore. This is the first rule. Second rule is no space in the name. You can't give space in the name. Sir, without space, how? Suppose if you take my name is Satya Narayana. Generally, when we write our name, we give space between the words. In the same way, in C language, you can't give space. Then how I can separate, sir? You can use underscore symbol if you want to separate, but space is not allowed. This is the second rule. Third rule is that keyword should not be used as a name. Keyword means how many words we have? 32. Those 32 you can't use as a name for anything. This is the third rule. And fourth rule, no symbol except underscore is allowed in the name. Throughout the name, you cannot use any symbol except underscore. Means, can I give name as like this A plus B? No. Can I give like this $A? No. You cannot. No symbol except underscore is allowed. And The length of the name must not exceed 31 characters. This is what generally we say for standard or traditional C language. This you find little deviation in the online compilers. Some compilers take 63 characters also because it is a 64-bit processor. But when I talk about Dennis Ritchie's C language, it supports only 31 characters. What? 31 characters up to. And when I say character, please understand, every letter is a character. Every number is every digit of a number is a character. Every symbol is a character. Character means don't think like only letter. Number, symbol, letter, all are treated as characters. So let us try whether these rules withstand or not. Okay, let us practice. I think my screen, my browser is visible for everyone. I hope my browser is visible. Yes. So I have opened Google. I just type online C compiler. You can pick any. Let's say I am picking this. Okay. Is this visible for everybody? Please give the response. If you say yes, sir, I'll go ahead. Is the screen visible, guys? Please give some response. All right. So hash include stdio.h, int main. I am writing int. What we have discussed, it should start with a letter. It should start with a letter or underscore. Okay, I start with number, you see. I am giving some name as int 7x. Int 7x. Okay? Int 7x. Will this execute or not? Let us see. What I got? On the right side you can see. On the right side you can see. You got error. Because it started with number. So you can't start with number. That is clear. Okay, I start with some symbol. Let's say I am using %x. %x. Okay, so let me execute. See, it is also generating an error. Okay, I will use underscore now. Underscore. Let's see, will it give error or not? No, I am not getting any error. I am not getting any error, isn't it? So, underscore I can use. Okay, okay. Can I use simply x? Definitely yes. Definitely yes, because it is starting with letter. Fine. Sir, you may get doubt. Sir, can I give only underscore as name? Only underscore. Can I give only underscore as name? What do you say? Jayanti, Ishwar Vineet, Govardhan, Tariq Ahmad, Tamil Savi, Krishnan. What do you people say? Can I give only underscore as name, not anything else, just underscore? Just underscore. What are our rules? What are the rules? Let us recall what are our rules. Name should start with either alphabet or underscore. Yes, it started with underscore. No space. I have given no space. Keyword should not be the name. Yes, underscore is not there in the keywords list. No symbol except underscore. Fine. Length should not exceed 31. So is it satisfying all these 5 rules? Yes. So definitely it must run. Definitely it must run. Let us check. Let us check, guys, whether it runs or not. So I am clicking on run. Yes, I have got no error. I have got no error. So definitely only underscore I can give. Okay, can I give underscore? Can I give underscore underscore, 2 underscore symbols, or 3 underscore symbols, 4 underscore symbols? Yes, because it should start with underscore and you can use underscore anywhere. So whether you use 1, 2, 3, 4, it doesn't matter. Definitely it is allowed. Definitely it is allowed. So guys, like how I write int I comma j comma k, in the same way, instead of writing this, so I am keeping this in the comment. I am keeping this in the comment. Just for your idea, I am writing here. Just like how I write int ijk, instead of ijk, I am using single underscore, double underscore, comma, triple underscore. So please understand, single underscore is like I, double underscore like j, triple underscore for k. Jayanti, it accepts beta, it accepts. Now I am writing like k is equal to, like how I write k equal to I plus j, like how I write this. In the same way, I would like to write underscore 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 equal to underscore underscore, that is j, it's like j plus underscore, plus underscore. Suppose I am giving like how I give int I is equal to 3, j is equal to 4. In the same way, I am giving value underscore equal to 3, double underscore equal to 4. Okay. Now I would like to print the result. Printf. Generally, how I print k equal to %d. Now here, instead of k, what we have used? 3 underscore symbols. So 3 underscore symbols is equal to %d, comma, what is that name? 3 underscores. Now what should be the output? I should get 7. Yes, you see this output, guys. Is this output visible for everyone? Is this output visible for everyone? So, like I, single underscore like j, double underscore like k, triple underscore. Yes, it's working. All right, all right. Now, let us try with something else. Let us try with something else. Okay. I would like to give name like this. Int, 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 int. Will it accept? Will it accept? It should not. Why? Why it should not accept? Because int is the keyword. Int is the keyword. Let us see. Let us see keywords list once. keywords list. Can you find this int in the list? Can you find int in the keywords list? So the rule is keyword must not be used as a name. Yes, int is the keyword, so it is not accepting it. Okay, let me use it in another way. Capital INT. I am using capital INT. Will it be accepted? It should be accepted. Yes, I got no error because though for us the left INT, the right INT may be same while we pronounce, but for compiler when it is all letters are in small, then only it is a keyword. Here one I have written in capital, so it is acceptable. So I am writing like this: int int equal to 3, char equal to @ float equal to 3.14, double equal to 12.4567. Now I would like to print all this. Printf int equal to %d \n, okay, char equal to %c, because character format specifier is %c, \n. Why I am writing \n? Wherever you write \n, the output goes in the new line. And float equal to %f \n, and double equal to %lf. Okay, and I am giving those names: int, char, float, double. See this, guys, see this. I have used word same int, but I have given capital. Char, char only I have used, but h I have given capital. Float, t I have given capital. Double, all the letters I have given capital. So this program must run. Yes, it executed. It has got executed. And you are getting what? The given values as output. Can you see this output, everybody? Can you see this output? So you cannot use keywords as the name. That means that that keyword must be in small letter. So when you use it as it is not accepted. Okay, okay, fine. Now let us try by giving space. Int x comma x space y. x space y. So will it be accepted? Let us see. No. In this third line, line 3, I am getting the error. You can check. So whenever I am giving space, it is not taking. So name must not contain space. Okay, I give number x7y. It accepted. So where you should not use the number? In the beginning you should not use the number, but later you can use. That is what the understanding you should get. In the beginning you should not use the number. The first letter should not be number. But later, yes, you can use x77 or x7, y8, z9. I am giving this as my name. It should be acceptable. Definitely. Clear? Are we clear, everybody? Please give response. So, this is how we can understand what are the rules for identifiers with live practice. So, are these rules just for theory sake, or they really exist, they really checked, means you have understood. I have tried in front of you. Yes, it is not accepting. It is not accepting it. Means these rules must be followed while we are giving name. Clear? Now, let us move on. Let us move on to strings. Before that, guys, we are bringing a new concept, that is a coffee with concepts. So there would be a small topic which gives you immense knowledge in a short duration. That is what our concept of coffee with concepts. So you will be getting this coffee with concepts twice a week. For electrical, electronics and instrumentation, you would be getting it on Wednesday and Sunday, and for computer science, Tuesday and Saturday. From 19th March, on every Tuesday and Saturday, you will be getting small concepts. Okay? Chalo. Now, let us move on to strings. What is a string? String is called group of characters. What is the definition of a string? Group of characters is called as string. In C language, there is no string data type. We have no data type called string. What are primary data types we have? Int, char, float, void. Only these four. String, there is no such data type. Then how you create string? So strings in C language are created as either character array or character pointer. Example you see. I have created it as character array. Sir, what is array? We don't know. No problem. Just for a while understand, array means this, created like this. Whenever you see these square brackets, please understand by default blindly you can understand that it is a array. Whenever you see this square bracket. So I have created string as character array, or there is other option as character pointer. Why I am calling it as character pointer? Because I have used char, data type char. So these are the two ways to create strings. And one important point is that values of strings, value for string will be in double quotations. How you give value for the string? In the double quotes. Character is in the single quote and we are grouping the characters. So, we will be representing the string in double quotations. That's why whenever I am dividing the program, double quotes, whatever is there, I have taken it as a string because string is represented in double quotes. And one more important point you have to understand and remember is every string by default ends with one special character called null character. Means for any string, C compiler automatically put this null character at the end. This is what treated as terminator for the string. To understand where the string ends, this null is what used by the compiler. So, we need to give the null? No, you need not to enter this null. You give your own value at the end. By default, compiler keep this, append this null character. So, null indicates what? Terminator, end of the string, end of the string. Okay? And these strings, we can use several predefined functions on strings. Several predefined functions on strings. Some of them you see strlen, strcpy, strcat. This is length of the string, string length. To copy string from one to another, to concatenate. I will be taking a separate exclusive session for strings. So, there we will be practicing all these, don't worry. So, to concatenate strings, concatenate means join. To join two strings, to compare two strings, to reverse, strrev, to reverse the given string. Means if you type A, B, C, D as input, you will be getting D, C, B, A as output. So, to reverse the given string and to convert the given string into lower case, all the letters automatically turns into lower case, and to convert into uppercase, and this is to give, to print size of the string in bytes, size of the string in bytes. Not only these, we have several other string handling functions. I have just mentioned few here. So, string handling functions, we have exclusively for strings, we have a big set of functions which are already available in the C library. So, we can directly use them. Okay. So, let us end the session with little practice on strings, guys. Let me show you. So, here I have the compiler. Now, I would like to create the string as character pointer. So, char str of 20, I have created the string. Okay. Now, I would like to give the input, let's say at compile time, means static input I would like to give. What the input I am giving is welcome, welcome. And I am taking another string, let's say str1 equal to, okay. For str1, I would like to take input, dynamic input. How I give dynamic input? Through scanf. So, percentile yes. What is the format specifier for strings? %yes, not %c, %yes, comma, comma, and str1. And str1 for strings, and you may use, you may not use. Okay, I am using it. So this will take input whatever you enter at the runtime. Now I would like to print them. Printf string1 is %s, okay, \n. String2 is %s, comma, str, comma, str1. Okay. So this is how I have given. So please see. Okay, equal to I have to write. See, I have executed the program. Now, why it is not showing any output? Because I should give input for str1. Let's say I am giving the input as C Programming. So whenever I hit enter key, you see, string 1 is welcome, string 2 is C Programming. Whatever I have given the dynamic input, it is taking for str1, and static input I have given for str, it is taking. Okay. Now can you see? Jayanti, now can you see? Yes. Now let me copy strcpy of, I am copying string 1 value to string 2, string str. So what I have given, strcpy of str comma str1. So str1 value, right side value, copies to left one. Now when I run, it is asking the input. So I am giving hello for str1. You please see the output now. Both strings are printing hello. Both strings are printing hello. Why? Because str1 value I have given as hello. That hello I have copied into str. So strcpy. This is to copy. Right? And let's say I am taking one more str2 of 20, and if I type str2 equal to strrev of str, means I am reversing the string and keeping it in the str2. Okay. So I would like to print it. String 2 is %s str comma str1 comma str2. Let us run. Okay. All right. So it is not taking like this. Let me use it as str2. Okay, there is some compatibility issue. Fine. So let us discuss this strrev whenever we discuss the strings. Okay. Whenever we discuss the strings, better discuss there. So I have used strcpy. Now I would like to print size of first string is %d \n, size of second string is %d. So I am giving size of str, comma, size of str1. So I am printing, let's say hello I have given. String is hello, so both are copied. Size of first string is 20, size of second string is also 20. Okay. See, here I am excluding the size for first string, and I am not copying. strcpy I have kept in the comments. Now you look at it. It is asking the input. Hello I have given for str1. Whenever I run and giving input as hello, now please check. str1 size I have given as 20, so it is printing 20 because you have mentioned 20 characters, so it is printing 20. And str, you please count how many characters I am having. WELCOME, 7 characters. But why it is printing 8? Because for null character also it reserves the space. So including null, it is 8. Then why it is not taking for str1? Yes, str1 has, we have given only 5 characters, HELLO. We have more 15 characters. So null is there in the 20. Got it? So this is how you can understand how to create the string, how to input the input for string at runtime and at compile time, static input, dynamic input, and how you can copy and how to print those values and size. I hope this is clear. Yes? Right. Perfect, guys. So guys, you also please do start practicing in this way, slowly with small programs, small 2-3 lines code. On that only you do several changes and observe the things, make a note of errors, everything. So this is the way to learn. Okay. That's all for today. We have discussed about identifiers, keywords, strings. I believe it is clear for you all. And tomorrow we will be starting operators practice. It is going to be very interesting. Operators concept is very useful and very interesting for the GATE exam also, guys. Nowadays we are getting questions in the GATE on these operators exclusively. So this is very important topic, operators. So do attend without fail tomorrow sharp 9 PM. Okay. Till then, I wish you all a very happy coding. Keep liking, keep sharing the session, keep learning and keep growing. This is the Telegram group links and Instagram group link. If you have not joined yet, please do join to connect with me. Thank you so much for joining the session and watching this class with so much patience. I hope this session is useful. You have learned some things with this session. Thank you guys. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Good night everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.